Hello, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Monday, January 7th at 10:08 a.m. Here's the markets. First, let's just take a look at the markets right here for the crypto strategy. This has been running since Saturday night. So yesterday on Sunday, woke up to negative. First time ever since I've been tracking this for since about mid-December. So it's 3 weeks now. So it was negative, but by the night, it did get to positive territory. Not much has been added to the position since then, but it's still positive with an 83% win. I'll take it. So when you compare that to where the markets are at let me repeat again, at 0.44%, we're up 0.25 on the S&P 500, up 0.03. 0.054 on NASDAQ, so that's doing okay. The Russell's at 0.33, but even if we go after our 1% or higher, we're still outperforming the major indices here out of the US. Crude oil is up 1.86%, or sorry, 1.69. Gold 0.55, and this is where people get very confused on with gold versus oil. They're supposed to be contrarian. Clearly, we do not see that anymore. And this is where things get a little dicey. We still have contrarian behavior with a 10-year bond, but I think that will get whacked out as the debt keeps piling on. Concerns of what's happening with the U.S. government shutdown will continue. That is going to play out, and this will go into a tizzy as well, probably within the next year, I would imagine. Forex, as we know, barely moves, 0.65. They predicted a bull on this. The British pound against the U.S. dollar up 0.43. VIX, look at that, up 4%. So when you see that VIX number up, that means there's a lot of uncertainty in the markets. So Bitcoin down, negative 1.49. So even this strategy right here is still outperforming Bitcoin. So I don't pay a lot of attention anymore to Bitcoin because that is now the old man of the cryptocurrency world. Still a big player, but in terms of growth, that is not where it's happening. All of these news was coming out of Litecoin and Ethereum, or Litecoin in general, but our usual culprits have done fairly well. There were some losers, but it's usually the Litecoin or the Bitcoin or the Ethereum that can throw us off, and it's just these newer ones that have proven themselves when you get the right timing to get these type of stats, 0.44 and 0.83% win ratio. Now, for Asia, up 2.44 or 2.44% in Japan. This is pretty dicey, but we'll keep our eyes and ears peeled for there. More news. Don't forget, if you're not part of Thursdays, doing, call it a fireside chat with Bob Pardo, Mr. Walk Forward, that book he's put out. We're collecting questions now. Again, today is Monday, 10 a.m. And on January 7th. Over and out. Talk to you later.